Today I am working on a 410J backhoe, and the issue today is that every time you put it into gear, either forward or reverse, and take the park brake off, you get a stop light that flashes at you and says return to neutral. And I wanted to show you what the issue was. It's a quick fix. All it is, more than likely, is one of the wires going to the seat switch off the right hand side of the seat. I'll show you that. So if you undo these little Christmas trees, you can drop this boot down and look right in there, and you'll see a clipped wire. If I get some light on it. These two wires run up to the seat and allow it for when you swivel the seat into backhoe mode. And that's a safety switch, and that one obviously is cut. It gets caught on this scissor and the seat goes up and down, and you can see that the other one is just about to do the same. So I'm going to splice those together and problem will be solved. As easy as that. Be careful with these things. You can use one of these tools to get behind there and pop that off. Otherwise, you got to buy them in a huge pack here from the John Deere dealership. Again, this is a super easy fix. I just got to basically pull back the insulation from these wires. I'm going to offset the cuts and splice in some new wire, and I'm going to use these butt connectors to connect it with some new wire, and then I got some of that snake tubing that I can put over the new wires, and I'm going to zip tie them a little bit more out of the way there. And I'll show you what I mean by offset splices, so that basically on the wires these will sit like that, so to speak, in the when I'm done with it. That way they fit in that loom nice and tight, and you don't have a big knot that gets in the way. All right, I got that spliced in, tested it, works good. And just to show you what I did, like I said, I inserted some wire there. I offset the crimps so that they will lay flush together. See how they kind of step up? So they'll lay flush into the smaller tube, and then I'm going to reroute this wiring so that it stays out of the way of this pinch point here. Really as easy as that. Simple fix, and yeah, that's about it.